going to show you, there's a new blister on my hand. They did it to my nose, and now they did it to my hand. It's like the blister that's here, and then there's one that was in the middle here. So wherever they hit, it causes these blisters. I'm going to see if I can get a better look at it. I'm going to have to get a closer look, because you can see the swelling. And you can see that extra piece. You can see the dark spot right there. And you can see how that little extra thing right there on the side of my hand is caused by this. So let me see. You can see, look at my veins. You know, let me see if I can, oh, here's the blister. Can you guys see that right there? It's right there. And you can see the swelling right here and this mark here. Okay, let me show you, see if I can get it on this hand better. Okay, so I'm going to put up a new video later.